Right now I'm standing in one of Data3's state-of-the-art distribution and integration centres, one of 4 facilities across Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria and WA. These centres enable us to do what many other service providers can't, provide support and assistance throughout the entire IT hardware and software supply chain process, from initial order through to delivery.
Over 2 decades, we perfected our forecasting and stock holding processes to ensure in-demand products are on hand, ready for same-day, time-critical, domestic express and also international shipping.
We can reserve inventory for consignment, giving you the option to purchase, pay, insure and store goods for up to 90 days, with the option to extend until you're ready to dispatch. Looking specifically at devices, we have several deployment options. Pre-imaged for zero-touch deployment on your side, so out of the box the apps, settings and security profiles are installed. Our specialist team can pre-image more than 10,000 devices per month. Staff-initiated on-site cloud deployment that can be triggered once your team member receives their device, or a hosted image solution that acts like an on-site deployment server, allowing devices to be imaged from a deployment point within your own virtual environment.
Choosing Data3 for your supply chain needs means receiving seamless, efficient and reliable services that meet all your business requirements. Our facilities provide storage, staging and configuration services across various global vendor products and brands. Get in touch with our team today to discover how Data3 can support your logistics lifecycle from procurement to disposal.